Okay guys, I am back with another of my Roblox videos. So friends, as you know, the mythical egg is arriving in Adopt Me. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Mythical egg is arriving and you might be thinking, how do we all know what's the new thing about the video? So the new thing about the video is why and how to prepare for the new mythical egg. Let's get on to this. So let's move to the video. First point. First, get this setup ready. Get your bed ready. Get your piano ready. It costs $100, but it's worth it. Get your piano ready because we'll not go out of this room for about till we have this much amount of bucks, or we have $1,500 so that we can buy 2 eggs, and after that I'll tell you what to do. So first, make this kind of a setup: water, this, and if you have a kitchen, then just go here and just prepare. Just get this kind of a setup ready. Let's yeah, 1 second. Yeah, then get a jasmine tea cup. Get this jasmine kettle, and then get this pizza. So you will get off with your water needs as well, and you will get this pizza for just $1, and then you can get off with this need as well. Now what you need to do is, unless it's camping or unless it's school, we don't have to go out of the room, because if we move out of the room, then what we have to do is, then we will move here and there, and with that being said, our process of gaining the money will get interrupted, that we don't want. Okay, so now let's proceed to the second step. Now here the second step is, how many ocean eggs do we really need to get? So the total amount of ocean eggs that we need to get is 7 or 10. Yeah, 10 ocean eggs we need to get with ourselves just to get prepared, because we will not trade it unless mythical eggs also leaves Adopt Me. Yes friends, after that mythical eggs leaves Adopt Me, will have more value for the ocean eggs, because when fossil eggs also didn't came, the ocean eggs was in very value. Right now also ocean eggs are in very value. After that, when the fossil eggs leave, ocean eggs will have double the value, and when the mythical egg leaves, it will have the value into 4. So when it will have the value into 4, you can also get some very good legendaries. For example, a neon shark, a neon octopus, or a neon T-Rex, or a neon dodo. Don't expect you will get a owl or an arctic reindeer for that, but you can get some total amount of goodies for that. So why I am telling you to get 7 or 10 eggs, because I also did this very mistake, only having 2 ocean eggs or only having 2 fossil eggs with me, because that happened the most. I didn't even gather up the Aussie egg, I didn't even gather up the fossil egg, and now this I don't want to do the mistake. I will stack up on 7 to 10 eggs, because even after the egg leaves, even after that trade it, so I will have some amount of 3-4 eggs that I could still trade, or I could keep it with me. Okay, so you need to get on with this. After that, what you will need to do is move to third step. Yes sir, move to third step. At least equip a right pet, or if you don't have a right pet, just have this kind of a grappling hook with yourself. Any kind of a grappling hook is just fine. So what will help this? If you have a right pet, if you want to move everywhere, this will make your travel easy, because if you walk, your speed is less, but if you walk with the right portion pet, your moving will be easy, and with the grappling hook it will be double easy, because grappling hook makes you move faster. Okay, unless it's the school or the playground. For playground also, we don't need to go anywhere, just sit on the piano, and it will conquer your board the board task, and then you do not need to go to the playground. So okay, after that, when you have done with all of this, when it's the school task, only then go to school, and then quickly come back to your home. Don't just blather around, or else what will happen is our time will go in all of that kind of stuff, and we will not be able to get money. Okay, proceed to third step. Now friends, the fourth step. So in the fourth step, what are we going to do is, we will be going to just telling how can we gain bucks more easily. turn into baby is the first point. Yes, friends, turn into a baby, because baby, when you turn into a baby, the bugs will make your bugs into two. So after that, what will you need to do is just for the hot spring, we need to get these kind of a task. We need to get out the home. I don't know why. Okay, so I have 1,158 bucks. So you need to get it to the 1,500. Yeah. See, this is so cool, and these kind of crystals are all around the map. I think this will be a legendary. This is a little legendary, and this will be a common or uncommon, because this looks like common or uncommon, but uncommon and common are still good in this mythical egg. Okay, let's go. Okay, so when you have fly, actually my reindeer is fly right, so I don't need to just bother for that. Yeah, I am doing 2 butterfly giveaways. I'll give away 2 butterflies. So if anyone wants one, just comment down their username. I'll pick the butterfly in the end of the month. I'll just reply them in the comment section, because I don't have the community tab just on for me, so I cannot just do that. Okay, so after that, what you need to do is, okay, so after that, what you need to do is get ready for the mythical egg, friends, quickly. As many times you can play Adopt Me, play. It's nothing more. 3,000 bucks is nothing for Adopt Me players. Nothing. You can play it while doing your homework. Just leave. You have to be in your home. You're in your room. Okay, just leave the phone here and there and just don't care about it. Just apply a timer of 2 minutes, and we have to check Adopt Me, and then we have to check the aging. So if there are 4 to 5 options, just do it quickly. After that, it will take 5 to 15 minutes for just rolling it down and refurnishing all that. And after that, what you need to do is just do the task again, and then you will be ready with your bucks 1,500 in no time. You can gain up to 3,000 or 4,000 bucks daily. That is my estimated buck time that I always gather around. I always gain 1,500 bucks in just one day. So I don't always get the problems of I'm not getting money and I'm not getting Ocean Eggs. But in the latest time of Adopt Me, I didn't knew what to do and what not to do, or else I would have been rich. So I would be so rich by the time, because I know so much of Adopt Me right now. But now I know, but that time I didn't knew. So that was my fault. So now you know everything of Adopt Me and how to prepare for mythical egg. Some is that you can make a family of 5 to 6 people just doing, so everyone will give some or other money, or you can just furnish the other people's pets also. Or if you don't want to take any help of anyone, it's sufficient, friends. Adopt Me has not released when the mythical egg is coming, so we have plenty of time, because they are not going to release it very very soon. They are going to tell us 1 or 2 weeks before when the mythical eggs arrive, or when the countdown even starts. It's not like that they have just said the countdown is beginning tomorrow and the Ocean Egg will arrive on Thursday, on day after tomorrow. They will not do like this. When the fossil egg came, we had approximately 2 or 3 weeks until we could prepare for the fossil eggs. And when the mythical eggs are coming, they are not telling it when we could prepare for it, or when the countdown is starting. Okay, so when the Ocean Eggs came, they told us approximately 8 days prior, they told us that the mythical egg is just arriving in Adopt Me. The Ocean Egg is arriving in Adopt Me, so get ready. So if you want to get ready, it's plenty of time. And if you don't want to get ready, then don't blame that we don't having any time, because we are having plenty of time. Actually, it's like algebra, that we need to find x, but we don't know the value. Okay, So we have the value y, but we don't have the value x. So here the value y is us, and here the value x is the time that we need to find, and we cannot find it very soon. We need to take a time. So just enjoy Adopt Me, just enjoy your pet aging, just do whatever you want to do, but do it in the baby form, do it in a room, do it in a home, because if you want to get ready for the mythical eggs, get it ready, done by now. And this was how you can get for the mythical eggs and how you can get it for the ocean eggs. Get ready for ocean eggs, get plenty of ocean eggs you want, and then start preparing bucks for the mythical egg. Don't spend it anywhere, don't. If you spend it anywhere, you need to just get on with it again and again. Don't trade off that ocean eggs just for a squirrel or a Robux pet. For example, if someone is offering, give me 4 or 5 fossil eggs and I will give you a cobra, or I will give you a squirrel. Don't do that stupidity, because cobra and squirrel will just be there and Adopt Me forever. Just gain so many mythical eggs with you, and after that what will happen? People will ask for, give me a mythical egg and I will give you certain items. You know what? When I ask for a frost fury for a neon frost fury for a normal owl, this owl that I'm having now, this what I'm let me show you. This owl I'm having, when the frost fury came, I just wanted to trade, and I asked in the trade for so long that a person said me that brother, I am trading a owl for a frost fury. I knew that it was all, and I made him. What happened was, I was having a bad luck and I got disconnected, and that's the problem. Was I was not in a friend server, or I have to find that person again. But I was not in a friend server, I was in a random server, so I disconnected. So when the mythical eggs will came, gather the mythical eggs, and then you will get the cobra or a squirrel. Don't do that mistake right now, because if you traded that pet and Adopt Me release the countdown, all your time will just go in regathering the ocean eggs, and you will not get time to gather bucks for mythical egg, and then you will suffer around that I don't have bucks for mythical egg, just give me a mythical egg. Okay, so if you need to get bucks for mythical egg, just start preparing right now. Let's go, friends. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to comment down below your username, or make sure to comment down your what do you say? I liked your video. Thanks for giving this advice. Be sure to try this. Thanks for watching.